Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya, and for today's video I really want to show you how to make Mara Biscuit Fudge. I remember this from my childhood, especially at school bake sales. Do you guys remember having those? That they would do it on like a Friday and then would have a bake sale and everyone would bring like either cupcakes or brownies or these Mara Biscuit Fudge, and then during break we would sell them amongst ourselves or amongst different grades. I remember this specifically because I would always forget, and then the night before I would go, oh mom, there's a bake sale tomorrow and I haven't baked anything and I don't know what I'm going to do. And early the next morning mom had to go and get some cupcakes and other spa jiggers, and I would sell those little miniature cupcakes, you know, those ones with the vanilla cake and the pink icing with sometimes sprinkles or a cherry in the middle. I was that kid, unfortunately, was I would forget everything, and the night before I would like, oh mom, I have to have these. I have to have a baked good for tomorrow. Now look at me, now I bake. Now I'm the baker. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below, what was your favorite item at the bake sale? What did you bake for the bake sale? I'd love to see everyone's comments, so please leave that in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe. Onto the video.
Thank you.